Alright, well, good morning everybody. So, it is incredibly early today, as you can see, because it's not very daylight. The picture's probably quite poor, in which I apologise. If you don't know who I am, my name's Andy. This is Rusty Old Steel, and today is Saturday, the 30th of August, and I am off to Rustival, which is at the Gaydon British Motor Museum. Near, I think nearest place is sort of Warwick, Stratford upon Avon area. Good little museum actually. If you've never been, check it out. It's got a lot of British Leyland stuff up there from when the factory shut down, like Cowley and Longbridge. But yeah, good place actually. Good museum. So, what is Rustival? Rustival has been put together by Steph from Idriveaclassic and Ian from Hubnut, and it's basically, you can take pretty much whatever retro classic car you got in any condition and it's welcome. So in this case today I'm taking the mighty Mondeo, of course, because frankly it's the only car I've got that's working. But I'm meeting up with a couple of friends on the way, which will be good, so I'm looking forward to it. Get a bit of breakfast I think as well while I'm there. So yeah, exciting really, quite good. I've arrived at a very fine eating establishment. You might be able to see it in the background. Mike's already here. There he is, parked next to me. They've gone in to get their breakfast. I'm about to do the same. We're waiting for Marcus, and then we'll set off for Gaydon for the Motor Museum. It'll be quite cool. Looking forward to it. We have made it to Rustival. All parked up. There I am next to Mike. And there's Marcus's Renault just over there. This looks like a fantastic show, I must say. So I'm going to get busy filming a load of these cars because there's a lot to get round. Oh, we followed this Peugeot in, didn't we?
We did. Yeah. Nice and
So I can remember
well, apart from the...
back in the 80s, my sister used to go horse riding, and the woman that took her up there had one of these.
Yeah.
It was a diesel though, I think, back on the Edge. It's a nice car, isn't it? Really clean.
Yeah.
So for those that haven't met Marcus, this is Marcus. This is the voice you can always hear in the background when I'm filming.
Yeah, always chatting
All
rubbish.
Chatting rubbish.
Chatting rubbish.
He's the one that owns that splendid Renault.
Why did we get rid of the situation?
Because it started, wouldn't pass another MOT. I mean, that was 7 years ago. Yeah, so they did. Yeah. These were known for campers to see things. Yeah, that's nice. You had it long?
That's smart.
About a year.
Just eat, oh, right, okay. Oh, it's full studs.
No, yeah, mine's probably about the last surviving.
Yeah, mine was actually a 55 plate, so it's new. Whereas the last of the line, I think we never changed it.
Excuse the wind if you can hear it.
It's like Newport, isn't it? It means Newcastle, doesn't it? Not Newport. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So it should be.
Turbo?
Oh my god. Ah, nice.
How cool is that? My man used to have a couple of these as taxis back in the day. Diesel, of course. French really know how to make a nice interior. I bet it's really comfy in there. GLX facelift.
This is a little bit more personal, so how I normally touch the camera,
Some cool things here.
I really want a bread van and put some stupid engine in it.
You have to use your loaves to buy one though.
Oh yeah. The dad jokes are here.
Ah. I said you have to use your loaves
I
to
said
buy
I really want
one.
to buy a bread van.
Might cost you a lot of dough. I do love an old 70s Jack. I do love the old 70s Jack cars. Not sure. Let's have a look, shall we? That's a Datsun. 120i. See, I've got childhood memories of a 180B that my dad used to have. So this is similar even. Yeah, they really knew how to make some cool.
I know, I had to.
What? Yeah.
All your shit could go to it has been done. Ghana has done. One of them back, she's blind and then just get on. Yeah, and then so at the end of the month they'll go on. I might just run them throughout the winter. No, that's how it's going to look. So that was that's a GT. That's how mine will be. The 850. Right.
So that's about it for today from Gaydon. They're just under 3 o'clock, sounding the horns, and the weather has turned pretty nasty out there. So, Michael, give us a wave. So we're off to the Cafe in the Machine pub now, where they're staying the night. So I'm going to check that out with them and film a little bit of it while I'm there, I think. Yeah, see you in a bit. Check this out. Got on another Renault 18. So there's Marcus thinking he's rare. We want to wait, heading to go home. And just randomly on the roundabout, coming out of Gaydon.
Yeah,
got this young man here and this British one.
But I mean, you get a better one.
No.
This is the one here.
Well, like I say, you won't find them GTS.
Oh yeah, look at this. Diesel, this one.
There was a phase 2, which is phase 1, which that step from this.
Pretty smart, that, isn't it?
And that was the only one in the country at the time.
Yeah, that's very cool.
And I believe that's
Chance of that, I couldn't believe it.
And I believe it's
Sorry, like a nice busy roundabout as you do.
I can't believe it.
Luckily we managed to pull off over there. Pretty mad shit, that is.
Yeah, I genuinely can't believe it.
While I'm waiting for Marcus, I might as well film some of the cars coming out of the show. There's some really good cars here today. So many. Just unbelievable amount of cars. Yeah, some good stuff. Very good stuff. Like a nice, diverse range of cars. That's what I liked. Just a bit for everybody. I'll just go over there, look. Yeah, enjoyable. I'm definitely going to do it next year. I'm certain of that. Whether or not I'll have the Cortina with me, hopefully I will. That'd be a bonus. Yeah, really enjoyed it. Recommend it. Rustival. So that will be, I'm guessing, the same time next year at Gaydon. So I'm heading for home now from Caffeine and Machine here. That's been a really cool venue actually. It's pretty smart, I must say. So I'm going to call that it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.